that's that good first time bacon, man. That's that good first time. First times got the best bacon you can get. I'm telling you, man, you gotta cook it on the griddle like that though. If you don't cook it on the griddle like that, man, you missing out on how good the bacon can get. Go to First Times and get some of that thick cut bacon they got in there. I'm telling you, it'll change your life, boy. Cause show changed mine. That's the only place that I want to get bacon from now, man. First Times. This is not sponsored, man. I'm just letting y'all know where to go to get your bacon. Go. First Times. First Times, man. Y'all want to look at this bacon again? Look at this. Look at that bacon, man. Good old bacon right there, man. Check, bro. Then I got my eggs boiling in here. I didn't feel like scrambling no eggs, so I didn't feel like scrambling no eggs, so I just felt like I'm just gonna boil me some eggs and bacon. I kind of feel like I want to make me some rice too. When them eggs get done, make me some good old rice. Have me some eggs, bacon, and rice, man. And that's breakfast for today. Today I'm off work, but I still think I got a little work to do. I need to leave from here, go out east to my mother's house, check on that. My mother's house, I heard there was something going on with the heating over there, so I'm gonna go make sure the heat is back working and all that. If not, I'm gonna have to call somebody. They said the water is cold over there, and they don't know if there's a pipe busted over there or not. They said they don't see no water nowhere. That's a good thing. But if it's a pipe busted or anything, hopefully it's just something outside they can fix outside that ain't got nothing to do with us, with that house, you know what I'm saying? Cause it been like super cold here. Like at night it been getting down in the like negative. So go do that today. And who knows what else? You know, we just gonna go with the flow and see what happens. But right now, ooh, look at that bacon! Look at that bacon! Yeah! Ooh, wait! People often come over here, see these here plants. That one doing a little rough right now. And people often come over here and see these plants and just assume like my wife. Assume that my wife is doing this. But you gotta tell them like, nah, this ain't her doing this. This is definitely me. Watering the plants, growing plants and stuff. It's definitely me, man. It is not her. If I left this up to her, these plants ain't gonna grow. They ain't gonna never get no damn water if I left it to her. So make sure I water my plants. It's all me with the plants. Is it strange for a guy to be the one growing the plants? Let me know. Nowadays, younger dudes ain't growing no plants in their house or nothing like that, man. I just started growing plants because I know as a teenager, when I was younger, up until like a teenager, you know, seeing your grandparents, your parents, like my mother grew plants my grandparents, they had plants in their house and stuff like that. So one day I just picked up a plant, brought it home. I just started grabbing more plants. We started growing plants. But I'll tell y'all right now, like I just said before, if I left this up to my wife, all these plants would be dead. All my plants is dead. Oh man, she ain't watering nothing. None of this had no water. This right here, this one's done. That's the best one growing right there. Oh, that done died off. I had it sitting right here. I had it sitting in this area. And I think that right there is what killed my plants, man. That heat coming out of there, blowing on that plant. I think it killed it. So I moved it right here. Hopefully I can get some of that plant back. I'm about to like peel some of these old dead leaves off of there. Peel some of those off. Try to get it back. Get it to start looking like that one. Because that's what that is. This right here is what those dead ones are in here. So hopefully I can peel this off and get it to start looking like that. I got this plant and these right here for my dad's funeral too. So whatever, man. Just part of life. It's part of the stupid shit we gotta go through, man. In life, bro. I got water everywhere. I'm just pouring water everywhere. That's why we got wood floor. Look at that. I made a mess. About to get it up. Oh, man. I gotta go do some stuff real quick, man. This winter is been cold so far. It's been cool up until now, but it's cold today. It's been cold for the last couple days. Gotta go put some work in. My dang on mother's water heater hose came off. Now I gotta go try to put it back on. I ain't never done it before. But I'm about to try to save some money doing it myself. Let's get to it. I'm here. Let's put in some work real quick. Water everywhere still. A lot of it dried up, but it's still wet. That's what I'm working with. Still leaking. replace that. Gotta replace that real quick, and then see if I can get this hot water back going and this heat going the way it's supposed to be. Damn. Let's get to it. Part one down. Part one down. Get to this other part. Alright, here's the moment of truth. About to turn the water on. See what happens. Alright, the moment of truth. Let's do this. I'm down here turning this water on. Water on. It ain't leaking. I don't hear nothing. It ain't spraying. I don't see no leaks. I don't see no leaks. I must have did something. Y'all see any leaks? Shit, I don't see nothing. I must have did something. I don't see no damn leaks. Man, I'm all wet. Arm sleeve all wet. But it's all good. I got it done. Feel decent in there, but we got a guy coming at 5 o'clock to check out the heat in the house and check out that water heater, make sure everything functioning right. But the water is getting hot again. And it's warm in there, so it looks like everything is coming back to normal in the house. But we gonna make sure for sure. Because if anything wrong, then a guy that specializes in that type of stuff, he gonna know better than me. I don't know, man. I just put the hose on there. That's all I did. Hopefully I did it right. It ain't leaking. I'll tell you that much. Let me go home because it's too cold to be in a wet hoodie. I ain't trying to get sick.